disc and put it in there.
That's absolutely correct. Here, we could do one right here. Set one up. Let's just choose a category real quick here.
So with 5 terabytes, how many movies is that approximately?
About 1,200.
1,200 movies.
That's right. Well, you know, when we say movies too, let's remember there's TV shows. So you've got episodics. It could be, you know, a series of television shows or cartoons. They're all broken down by scene or episode level. You know, some people get confused.
Is 1,200 movies is kind of like a blockbuster.
That is the average retail store is about 1,200 titles. You go into it, not the Best Buys or Walmarts of the world. They're more in the 2,500 range. But most independent retailers are in that 1,200 range.
So a supermarket could have that. So they save space for the inventory, right? They can just have 5 or 6 in the.
2 square feet. You've got a pretty solid return on investment. Quite a large library. So we could just go into a fitness selection here. Everything is designed as a 3-step user interface. It's a category, a subcategory, and a result. So if we want to make our own custom workout video, these are scene levels. We do this particular abs workout. It tells them a little bit about the scene, some thumbnails. It also offers trailers on about 20% of the library. We can simply add this to cart. That's $4.
Could we go find something with a trailer?
Yes, absolutely.
Just to have an idea how it looks.
Just make sure you guys do wear this.
Particular?
Little Brown Burrow, down about 3 pages.
Make sure you please send an email though. Let us know that.
Which one?
Little Brown Burrow.
The Little Brown Burrow. It doesn't have the trailer.
Not that one.
Not that one. But if there's a trailer, it just shows in a little window, or with a sound.
It does.
Is there sound inside or something?
Yeah, I don't know how loud we have it turned up, but it definitely sounds.
Let's try a different one here. Instructional.
So you can match.
But I guess if people start watching trailers and all that, they will spend more time, and that's maybe not so good.
That's right. That's why we only offered about 20% of the library.
All right.
So let's just go to a demo here. Here's.
There you made a compilation.
Yeah, made a compilation. Here's 4 ab workout videos, routine 1, 2, and an ab workout. So you've made your own compilation workout video.
7 minutes, 10 minutes.
Right. So 24 minutes, $10.
60% left, so you can just add more if you
can
want.
continue to fill the disc. So we'll assume we're going to do this. Methods of payment.
So what does it say here?
Cash,
price,
exact dollar amount. Now that varies depending on the retail or where the location is. We've got this in a demo mode.
Yeah. So it works with the cash reader.
It works with a bill validator, a credit card swiper. It'll dispense the blank DVD into this pocket down here.
All right. So there's a blank DVD.
That's a blank DVD. It's as I said, it's a pre-printed case. And a pre-printed DVD.
But it doesn't print anything special. It's just.
This is a generic setup. It also offers a print and burn solution for custom setups at retail. It really is dependent on the retailer and the cost of the hardware that you want to invest in.
Oh yeah, so it could print a special cover.
It could print a special cover and a disc on demand.
Disc on demand.
That's
so
right.
That might take like 10 or 20 seconds if it did that, and then you would just
takes about for a 4-color process about a minute and a half. It's on the dispense.
A minute and a half. All right. So then you would just put it in and it burns 5-6 minutes.
That's right.
And while it's burning, you can make the next compilation, or the next customer can come, or.
That's right. You can continue shopping and.
Just like when you take a passport photo.
That's correct.
It takes a few minutes.
It takes a few minutes, and then you've got your compliance spec. It's got a custom menuing. It's got advertising models built into it, and it's going to work in pretty much every player that's out there in the world.
So possibly in the future you could do MPEG-4 to have more content?
Absolutely. Well, we already offer a portable file setups. We can repurpose on the fly, and we're storing about 10% portable files right now.
Yeah.
The caveat there is managing the DRMs for portable media.
All right. And you have deals with lots of studios.
We do. We currently have about 70 contracts. No public domain. Anything from independent film through they call them B-level studios. We're waiting on the majors. We think we'll be about beginning of February.
Because you need to encode with the CSS.
Yeah, they require that imaginary line in the sand copy protection called CSS, and that patent use began in July of 06. And they're figuring that amendment should be free and clear, available to self-service companies like ours by the end of January.
Could you maybe also plug it on the internet so it can be updated automatically
Yeah.
with new content?
This particular unit is managed real time through the internet. The content, the sales, the health and maintenance is all real time through the internet. It's part of a service that we offer. We don't charge the traditional software licensing fee like most companies. We built this as the old school business model, rev share. That way we provide all the services and the retailer provides the customer base, and that combination is what will create the success.
All right. And I mean, it just costs not so much. I mean, it's not too expensive, is it?
It's similar to retail pricing on physical goods. There's a slight variation. We don't want to call it a discount, but for the fact that you're not getting the print and burn original graphics, original box, and you're also foregoing the bonus extras, the director's commentaries, the things that take up additional space on a disc.
All right. So, but I mean, the machine, it doesn't cost as much as building a new Blockbuster store.
No. Right now, our hardware costs are running about $10,000 to $12,000 for a turnkey solution.
For one of these.
For one of these.
All right. Thanks.
Man, my
Thank
pleasure.
you.